Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update TikTok app settings for performance fixes, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your TikTok app on your device. Locate and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. In your profile, find and tap on the three dots or the menu icon in the top right corner. Scroll down to the Settings and Privacy section. Within this section, look for Manage Account. Tap on Manage Account to access additional options. Next, find the Storage section to check how much space the app is using. If the storage is near full, consider clearing some cache. To clear cache, return to the main Settings menu. Look for Clear Cache and confirm the action. Go back to the Settings and Privacy menu. Now, look for the App Updates section. If an update is available, tap on it to initiate the download. Once the update is complete, restart your TikTok app. Check to see if performance has improved. If issues persist, consider reinstalling the app from your device's app store. After reinstalling, log back into your account to restore your settings. Explore your updated app for a smoother TikTok experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.